Today is an important one on the biannual election calendar. It's 4 months until the midterms, and that means today is the deadline for ballot question committees to submit signatures to put proposed constitutional amendments before voters come November. The process to gather and validate those signatures is always eventful, and the rules lawmakers put in place to govern that process this year has been up in the air since November. Taylor Howard reports on the ruling that calls those rules unconstitutional.
This week, a federal judge struck down several Arkansas petition laws, citing that they violated the First Amendment. Sam Watson with Protect AR Rights calls this a win.
It reinforces the constitutional principle that the initiative process belongs to the people of Arkansas and not to the state legislature. So it makes it easier to collect signatures and demands that the state enforce pre-existing laws instead of trying to pass new more onerous laws on the petition on the citizen initiative process.
Watson says the previous requirements of the law slowed down gathering signatures.
I have to check your ID, your driver's license. So you have to pull out your driver's license to confirm that you live in Arkansas. I then have to read the ballot title to you out loud. Those ballot titles can be hundreds of words long, right? And so that can take as much as 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the complexity of the ballot initiative. And only after all of that could I have legally collected your signature.
Arkansas is a state that allows citizens to put laws or constitutional amendments in front of voters.
I think the citizen-led initiative process is it's a unique thing for Arkansas, right? Not every state in the United States has that right. We've passed a number of incredibly popular policies through the citizen ballot initiative process. And so that's the biggest reason, right?
He says that's why petition groups like Protect AR Rights believe the laws needed to be challenged.
We're not just fighting for our amendment, we're fighting for all potential future amendments, right? Because this is a right that all Arkansans should be able to access.
The current petition cycle is over, but he says the judge's decision could have a big impact on all future petition drives.
I hope people will really take the opportunity to start getting creative. Having this right opened up to more people means that we can have those policy debates in a more robust and I think healthier way.
The case is not over yet. The judge is scheduled to hear more First Amendment claims on July 28th at the federal courthouse in Fayetteville.